Hello super moms, today I'm going to talk about the importance and benefit of outdoor play for our toddlers. Kids need the opportunity to use their whole body and develop their gross motor skills. Playing outside can help children to learn and gain experience through all their senses. I understand not everyone has easy access to natural spaces outside, but you can take your kids to the parks or areas to visit, or if you're lucky, you can choose your own backyard to watch the clouds, birds, planes go by, and stuff like that. Just in case you have no idea what to do once you're outside, start small, keep it simple, go with the flow. There's no right and wrong. Let your kids use their imagination. What's there? That's a grass.
Moon
Oh, you found the moon here. Wow, that's a perfect moon. Oh, Tuba, what did you find? You're flying with the leaves? Oh wow, that's really smart of you. Look, Tuba is flying with the leaves.
Wow!
You're flapping the wings. You're flapping the wings. Good job. Bring your child close to the nature. Teach them to love plants. Oh, we don't kiss the plants. Yes, we do kind hands. Do you know the plants are living thing? They also feel. Plant is crying now. Let your kids explore and run around. Ask them different questions to increase their vocabulary. It would help to increase their imagination power and creativity. How do you feel when you touch the tree? Look, touch the tree. How do you feel? How do you feel?
It's really
Itchy?
itchy.
Okay. Ask them different questions to keep them involved, guide them. In short, just enjoy spending time with them. Look at these leaves. They are so different. Look!
Look, leave this one.
All the leaves are different. Do you want to smell it? It's a mint. It's a fresh mint. No, smell it. No. What's in your hand? Smell it? Did you like it?
Smells like a chewing gum.
It smells like a chewing gum. Good job. What is it?
Oh,
Leaves.
Oh,
They're
the
big leaves. They are so big. Can you see them? Oh wow, there's so many leaves here. Do you want to clean it up? What are you doing?
I'm working inside.
You're collecting the leaves?
Yes.
Is it fun?
Yes, it's fun. They leave all the leaves.
Oh, they're all leaves. All the leaves. Do you think? Are these leaves dry?
No,
They're not dry, they're wet.
they're wet.
Oh, it was raining last night. That's why.
Sorry.
Why did you throw it down?
This too good.
This is good.
Yes.
You can collect different things and bring them back inside and do different activities with them. I'll definitely do another video to show you different nature activities. So keep on watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Hope to see you next time. Till then, take care and have fun learning with your kids. Bye.